Hey, how's it going? I was just about to make this thermal camera that doesn't shoot video. Stick around. What's going on, everyone? Nick Smith-Koblitz here from Crypto Paranormal Investigations. Great as always to be back with you. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my team's DIY mod to make a FLIR I-Series thermal camera shoot video. Now, last year I did a full review on the use of and effectiveness of thermal imaging cameras on Paranormal Investigations. I'll link it up here for you guys. And we got some great feedback from a fellow YouTuber and paranormal investigator who liked the DIY setup for our FLIR camera that we showed. So I thought it would be cool to do a video where I share with you guys how to do this little mod for yourself. Thermal imaging is probably one of the most sought after tools by paranormal investigators. But models capable of shooting video will run you thousands, if not tens of thousands of dollars. You can buy smartphone adapters now that actually let you take JPEG radiometric thermal images and even video. But one thing that we found is that the sampling rate of these adapters is really poor. So in video mode, the footage just looks really laggy. And this just leads to poor quality evidence. Before my team upgraded to the FLIR Thermocams, we used their I-Series cameras, which are fantastic. Now, these cameras don't shoot video, but their sampling rate and resolution is higher than the smartphone adapters. So I figured out a simple solution allowing us to shoot thermal video on a budget. And all I did was mount a GoPro to the handle of the camera with a special attachment so it would record the LCD screen. Now, the camera you saw in that first video was a FLIR i3, but this hack will work with the i5, i7, or X-Tech IRC models if you have one of those. They all have identical bodies. All right, so to put this setup together, you're gonna need 3 things, 5 things, 8 things. A thermal camera, a GoPro, not one that's been modified for night vision or full spectrum. We need natural light for this. A GoPro housing. I like non-underwater housings because you get slightly cleaner audio. 2 GoPro extension mounts, and finally a GoPro pole mount. I'll put links to everything below so you guys can find it. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna do to put this rig together is attach the bar mount to the handle of your thermal camera. It's not gonna be an exact fit, but it's the closest that we could find. Next, attach the 2 connecting brackets to the bar mount. Then attach your GoPro housing. And finally, you're ready to attach your GoPro. One thing I'd recommend is just throwing a little piece of gaff tape or painter's tape over the LCD screen or recording lamp on the front of your GoPro. This will just help eliminate that unwanted reflection on the FLIR LCD screen. When you turn your GoPro on, set the video quality as high as it will go, and then set the field of view to medium or linear. Wide is just too wide for this. And you're ready to rock and roll. Now, this rig is not perfect. The GoPro's close focus on the LCD screen is not the best. You can improve it some if you import your footage into an editing program like Final Cut Pro or Premiere, then just increase the sharpness slightly. You're also going to run into some problems with reflections on the LCD screen, especially in sunny or brightly lit areas. But when you're in the dark, that's when this rig will be at its best. At the end of the day, these are cameras designed to take still photos. And this little DIY rig was just a simple solution that let my team get the job done when we didn't have anything else. But if you have a FLIR I-Series camera and a GoPro, why not try it out and see how it works for you? That's all for today, guys. I hope you found this video interesting or helpful. If you try this rig out for yourself, let us know in the comments below. I'd love to know how it works for you. As always, hit that like button if you enjoyed today's video, or smash it. That's what people do, right? You smash it. Subscribe to our channel if you want to see more, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.